Definition of national park. National parks are protected areas of significant ecological, biodiversity, and conservation value. These areas are dedicated to preserving the country's diverse flora, fauna, landscapes, and cultural heritage. They are managed by the government and are legally protected against exploitation, hunting, and other activities that could harm the natural habitat. National parks in India are IUCN Category 2 protected areas. India's first national park was established in 1936, now known as Jim Corbett National Park, situated in Uttarakhand. Characteristic features of a national park. National parks possess distinct characteristics that set them apart as protected areas of immense ecological and cultural significance. Conservation focus. They are dedicated to conserving ecosystems, biodiversity, and natural resources. These areas safeguard endangered species and preserve habitats, ensuring the sustainability of flora and fauna. Legal protection. National parks benefit from legal safeguards against exploitation, hunting, deforestation, or other activities that could harm the environment. Strict regulations are in place to maintain the integrity of these areas. Public access with limits. While they encourage ecotourism and education, access to national parks is controlled to minimize human impact. Visitors are often guided or restricted to specific zones, reducing disturbances to wildlife and ecosystems. Research and education. They serve as platforms for scientific research, facilitating studies on various ecological aspects and educating the public about nature, biodiversity, and conservation. Preservation of cultural heritage. Some parks also protect cultural or historical sites, integrating human heritage with natural conservation efforts. Sustainable management. National parks employ sustainable management practices to maintain the balance between conservation and human interaction, aiming to ensure the longevity of these protected areas for future generations. Different environmental laws related national park. In India, several environmental laws and regulations govern the establishment, management, and protection of national parks. The Indian Forest Act, 1927, though an older law, it provides the legal framework for declaring an area as a reserved forest, national park, wildlife sanctuary, etc., and contains provisions for the protection of forests and wildlife. Wildlife Protection Act, 1972. This is one of the key legislations for wildlife conservation in India. It provides legal provisions for the protection of wildlife, including species-specific protections, hunting bans, and penalties for offenses related to wildlife. Forest Conservation Act, 1980. It regulates the diversion of forest lands for non-forest purposes, ensuring that forested areas, including those within national parks, are not easily converted for other uses. Environment Act, 1986. This act empowers the central government to take measures to protect and improve the environment. It allows the government to set standards for emissions and discharge of pollutants that could affect national parks. Biodiversity Act, 2002. This legislation focuses on the conservation and sustainable use of biological resources, including those found in national parks, by regulating access to biological resources and associated knowledge. National Green Tribunal Act, 2010. The National Green Tribunal deals with environmental protection and conservation of forests and other natural resources, including cases related to national parks, ensuring effective and speedy disposal of environmental cases. These laws work collectively to safeguard national parks, ensuring their conservation and protection while providing a legal framework for sustainable management and addressing various environmental concerns. There are 106 existing national parks in India covering an area of 44,402.95 square kilometer, which is 1.35% of the total geographical area of the country. Jammu and Kashmir, a region known for its stunning landscapes, hosts 4 important national parks, each contributing significantly to biodiversity conservation and serving as vital habitats for various species. Dachigam National Park, located near Srinagar, it spans approximately 141 square kilometers. Dachigam is crucial for the conservation of the Hangal, with an estimated population of around 207-300 individuals. It also houses leopards, Himalayan black bears, and various bird species. Kishtwar National Park, spanning around 425 square kilometers. Kishtwar is known for its rugged terrain and diverse wildlife. It's a habitat for Himalayan brown bears, musk deer, leopards, and numerous bird species. Salim Ali National Park. This urban park in Srinagar covers nearly 9 square kilometers and is essential for maintaining the city's green spaces. It's a habitat for various bird species, contributing to urban biodiversity conservation. Kazanag National Park, situated in Baramulla district of Jammu and Kashmir. It covers an area of 160 sq.km and is located on the north bank of Jhelum River, close to the line of control. This park is home to diverse flora and fauna, including markhor, Himalayan musk deer, golden eagle, and snow pigeon. Ladakh hosts one significant national park, Hemis National Park, covering about 4,400 square kilometers in eastern Ladakh. It's the largest national park in India and also South Asia. Hemis is renowned for its snow leopards, estimated to have a population of 200-300. It also shelters Asiatic ibex, Tibetan wolves, and diverse avian fauna. In Himachal Pradesh, there are 5 significant national parks. These parks collectively safeguard diverse ecosystems, rare species, and play a pivotal role in Himalayan biodiversity conservation. Great Himalayan National Park, spread over 1,171 square kilometers in Kulu district, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, preserving diverse flora and fauna of the Himalayas such as beryl, snow leopard, Himalayan brown bear, Himalayan tahr, musk deer. Pin Valley National Park, encompassing 675 square kilometers in Lahaul and Spiti district, it shelters rare high-altitude desert flora and fauna like Cedrus deodara, Himalayan snowcock, and cho. Kurganga National Park, covering 710 square kilometers in Kulu district, it protects the western Himalayan temperate forests and alpine meadows. Simbalbara National Park, extending over 27 square kilometers in Surmur district, it's known for its deciduous forests and varied wildlife. Inderkilla National Park, spanning 104 square kilometers in Kulu district, it's crucial for preserving western Himalayan temperate forest and their biodiversity. There are 6 significant national parks situated in Uttarakhand. These national parks collectively preserve diverse ecosystems, rare and endangered species, and are vital for conservation efforts and ecotourism in this Himalayan region. Jim Corbett National Park, covering around 520 square kilometers in the Nainital district, it's India's oldest national park and a haven for Bengal tigers, Asian elephants, and varied wildlife. It's renowned for initiating Project Tiger, aimed at conserving the Bengal tiger. Valley of Flowers National Park, located in Chamoli district and spanning 87.5 square kilometers, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its diverse alpine flora, including rare and endangered species. Nanda Devi National Park, spread across around 630 square kilometers in Chamoli and Pithoragarh districts, it's another UNESCO World Heritage Site. The park, encompassing the Nanda Devi Peak, protects unique flora and fauna in its diverse ecosystems. Rajaji National Park, covering approximately 820 square kilometers in Haridwar, Dehradun, and Pori Garhwal districts, it's significant for its conservation efforts for Asian elephants, tigers, and leopards. Gangotri National Park, encompassing 2,390 square kilometers in Uttarkashi district, it's known for its stunning landscapes and diverse wildlife in the upper reaches of the Ganges Basin. Govind Pashu Vihar Wildlife Sanctuary and National Park, spreading over 957 square kilometers in Uttarkhand district. It's home to snow leopards, Himalayan black bears, and a variety of flora at high altitudes. In Uttar Pradesh, there are only one significant national park. Dudhwa National Park, covering 490 square kilometers, situated on the bank of River Sarada in Lakhimpur Kheri district of Uttar Pradesh. It is known for its diverse flora and fauna, including the Bengal tiger, Indian rhinoceros, and swamp deer. In Haryana, there are two notable national parks. Sultanpur National Park, located in Gurgaon district, covering 1.43 square kilometers. It's a crucial bird sanctuary, attracting migratory birds during winters and serving as a breeding ground for resident avian species. Kailsar National Park, spanning around 46 square kilometers in Yamunanagar district. It's known for its diverse flora and fauna, including species like Indian leopards, sambar deer, and various bird species. There are 5 significant national parks situated in Rajasthan. These parks collectively safeguard diverse ecosystems, wildlife, and avian species, contributing significantly to Rajasthan's biodiversity and attracting wildlife enthusiasts and tourists. Ranthambore National Park, spanning 392 square kilometers in Sawai Madhopur district. It's renowned for its tiger population and ancient Ranthambore fort. Sariska National Park, covering 881 square kilometers in Alwar district. It's vital for tiger and leopard conservation. Kyaladio National Park, located in Bharatpur. It spans 28.7 square kilometers and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its avian diversity, especially during migratory season. Mukundra Hills National Park, covering 200 square kilometers in Kota district. It's important for conservation efforts, housing various wildlife species. Desert National Park, encompassing 3,162 square kilometers near Jaisalmer. It's dedicated to preserving the unique desert ecosystem and its inhabitants, including desert foxes and great Indian bustards. The 4 significant national parks situated in Gujarat play vital roles in preserving endangered species, unique ecosystems, and marine biodiversity, attracting nature enthusiasts and supporting conservation efforts. Gir Forest National Park, covering 1,412 square kilometers in Junagadh district. It's renowned as the last abode of the Asiatic lion, a critical conservation site. Blackbuck National Park, Velavadar, spanning 34.08 square kilometers in Bhavnagar district. It protects the blackbuck, a unique antelope species. Marine National Park, Gulf of Kutch, encompassing an area of 162.89 square kilometers. It's India's first marine sanctuary, hosting diverse marine life, coral reefs, and mangroves. Bansta National Park, covering 23.99 square kilometers in Navsari district. It's known for its lush greenery and diverse flora and fauna. In Maharashtra, there are 6 notable national parks. These national parks collectively safeguard diverse ecosystems, endangered species like tigers, and promote ecotourism, offering visitors a chance to explore Maharashtra's rich natural heritage. Tadoba National Park, covering around 625 square kilometers in Chandrapur district. It's known for its significant tiger population and diverse flora and fauna. Sanjay Gandhi National Park, located near Mumbai. It spans 104 square kilometers, preserving a variety of species amidst an urban landscape. Chandali National Park, encompassing about 317 square kilometers in Kolhapur district. It's vital for biodiversity conservation, housing diverse wildlife and dense forests. Navgaon National Park, covering 133.88 square kilometers in Gondia district. It's known for its beautiful landscapes and diverse wildlife, including tigers and leopards. Diugamel National Park, spanning around 361 square kilometers in Amarvati district. It's significant for its varied vegetation and fauna, including Bengal tigers. Pench National Park, shared with Madhya Pradesh. Pench covers 257 square kilometers in Maharashtra. It's renowned for its tiger reserve and teak forests. There are 11 notable national parks situated in Madhya Pradesh. These parks collectively preserve a diverse range of ecosystems, critical habitats for tigers and other endangered species, and contribute significantly to wildlife conservation and ecotourism in Madhya Pradesh. Kanha National Park, covering around 940 square kilometers in the Mandla and Balakat district. It's famous for its tiger population and diverse flora and fauna. Bandhavgarh National Park, encompassing 716 square kilometers in the Umaria district. It's known for its high density of tigers and the historic Bandhavgarh Fort. Pench National Park, shared with Maharashtra. It covers around 757 square kilometers in Madhya Pradesh. It's crucial for its teak forests and tiger reserve. Panna National Park, spanning 542.67 square kilometers in Panna and Chhatarpur district. It's renowned for tiger conservation in the Ken River. Satpura National Park, covering approximately 524 square kilometers in Hoshangabad district. It's known for its unique topography, diverse wildlife, and Satpura hill ranges. Sanjay National Park, encompassing around 466 square kilometers in Sidhai district. It's important for its forests and diverse fauna. Van Vihar National Park, located in Bhopal. It spans 4.45 square kilometers and serves as an urban sanctuary for various species. Madhav National Park, covering 375.22 square kilometers in Shivpuri district. It's known for its scenic beauty and the Sakya Sagar and Madhav Sagar lakes. Mandla Plant Fossils National Park, spanning 0.27 square kilometers in Mandla district. It preserves plant fossils dating back millions of years. Fossil National Park, covering 0.26 square kilometers in Dindori district. It's known for its rare plant fossils. Kuno National Park, located in the Shahpur and Morna districts. It covers approximately 748.76 kilometers. In 2018, it was given the status of a national park. It is the home of cheetahs in India, and also a potential site for reintroducing Asiatic lions. The single notable national park in Bihar is Valmiki National Park, covering around 880 square kilometers in West Champaran district. It's one of the few tiger reserves in Bihar and is crucial for the conservation of Bengal tigers. Valmiki National Park also preserves diverse flora and fauna, including species like Indian rhinoceros, elephants, and various bird species. There are only one significant national park situated in Jharkhand. Betla National Park, covering an area of around 979 square kilometers in the Palamu district, known for its rich biodiversity, including tigers, elephants, leopards, and numerous bird species. The three notable national parks situated in Chhattisgarh are Indravati National Park, covering around 2,881 square kilometers in Bijapur district. It's one of the largest national parks in central India. Indravati is known for its dense forests and diverse wildlife, including tigers, leopards, and a variety of bird species. It's crucial for the conservation of endangered species like the wild buffalo. Kanjargati National Park, spanning approximately 200 square kilometers in Bastar district. It's characterized by limestone caves, dense forests, and scenic waterfalls. Kanjar Ghati is important for its unique geological formations, diverse flora and fauna, including leopards and various bird species. Guru Gasidas National Park, covering 1,440 square kilometers in Surguja district, it's significant for its biodiversity and pristine landscapes, housing species like tigers, leopards, and sloth bears. It's an essential area for conservation efforts in Chhattisgarh. In Odisha, the two prominent national parks are Simlipal National Park, covering about 2,750 square kilometers in Mayurbanj district. It's known for its rich biodiversity, including tigers, elephants, and diverse flora. Simlipal is a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve and a crucial conservation area. Bhitarkanika National Park, encompassing approximately 650 square kilometers in Kendrapara district, it's known for its mangrove forests and estuarine crocodiles. Bhitarkanika is a Ramsar wetland site and protects numerous endangered species, making it ecologically significant for conservation efforts in Odisha. In West Bengal, there are 6 noteworthy national parks which collectively preserve diverse ecosystems, endangered species, and offer opportunities for ecotourism, attracting visitors and wildlife enthusiasts to explore its natural beauty. Sundarbans National Park, covering around 1,330 square kilometers in the Sundarbans Delta, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the largest mangrove forest globally. Sundarbans is famous for Bengal tigers, estuarine crocodiles, and diverse flora and fauna. Buxa Tiger Reserve, encompassing approximately 759 square kilometers in Alipurduar district, it's known for its tiger population and diverse ecosystems, including tropical and subtropical forests. Gorumara National Park, spanning 79.99 square kilometers in Jalpaiguri district, it's significant for its population of Indian rhinoceros, elephants, and varied bird species. Neora Valley National Park, covering about 88 square kilometers in Kalimpong district, it's known for its pristine landscapes, rare red pandas, and diverse flora and fauna. Singalila National Park, encompassing around 78.6 square kilometers in Darjeeling district, it's known for its stunning vistas, trekking trails, and diverse wildlife, including the elusive red panda. Jaldapara National Park, spanning approximately 217 square kilometers in Alipurduar district, it's crucial for Indian rhinoceros conservation and supports various other wildlife species. In Sikkim, the notable national park is Kangchenjunga National Park, covering approximately 1,784 square kilometers in North and West Sikkim district. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and Biosphere Reserve. It's crucial for conserving several endangered species like the snow leopard, Himalayan tahr, and red panda. The 7 significant national parks situated in Assam are collectively preserve diverse ecosystems, endangered species, and play crucial roles in biodiversity conservation. Kaziranga National Park, covering around 430 square kilometers in Golaghat, Nagaon, and Sonitpur district, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for conserving the one-horned rhinoceros and Bengal tigers. Manas National Park, encompassing approximately 950 square kilometers in Barpeta, Kakrachar, and Kairing district, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a Biosphere Reserve, known for its diverse flora, fauna, and the Bengal florican. Namri National Park, covering 200 square kilometers in Sonitpur district, it's famous for its elephant population, tigers, and diverse bird life. Orang National Park, spanning around 78.81 square kilometers in Darang district, it's known for its population of the Indian rhinoceros and various bird species. Dibru-Sakhawa National Park, encompassing approximately 340 square kilometers in Dibrugarh and Tinsukia districts, it's known for its unique biosphere reserve, diverse ecosystems, and feral horses. Dang Patkai National Park. It covers an area of 231.65 square kilometer and is part of the Ripu Reserve Forest along the Indo-Bhutan border of lowland rainforest in the Dibrugarh and Tinsukia district. It was declared a wildlife sanctuary in 2004 and upgraded to a national park in 2021. Declared as reserve under Project Elephant and largest lowland forest in India. It is home to white-winged duck, slow loris, and markhor. Raimona National Park, situated in Kokrajhar district of Assam. It covers an area of 422 square kilometer and is part of the Ripu Reserve Forest along the Indo-Bhutan border. It was declared a national park on the 5th of June 2021. Famous for golden langur, Asian elephant, Bengal tiger, clouded leopard, gore, chital, and hornbills. In Arunachal Pradesh, two significant national parks are Namdapha National Park, covering around 1,985 square kilometers in Changling district. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the largest national park in the eastern Himalayas. Namdapha is renowned for its rich biodiversity, housing species like the snow leopard, clouded leopard, takin, and the rare hulak gibbon. Muling National Park, spanning approximately 483 square kilometers in Siang in West Siang district. It's known for its diverse flora and fauna. It is crucial for the conservation of species like the Bengal tiger, red panda, and various bird species. The only national park in Nagaland is Intanki National Park, covering around 202 square kilometers in Paran district. It's significant for its biodiversity, preserving various species like hulak gibbons, elephants, tigers, and diverse bird life. There are two notable national parks situated in Manipur. Cable Lamjau National Park, covering approximately 40 square kilometers in Bishnupur district. It's unique as the world's only floating national park. This park is known for preserving the critically endangered Manipur brow-antlered deer, locally known as Sangai deer. The park consists of floating masses of vegetation in Loktak Lake, offering a distinct and crucial habitat for Sangai and various bird species. Sirohi National Park, spanning around 41 square kilometers in Ukhrul district. It's known for its diverse flora, particularly orchids, and varied wildlife. In Mizoram, there are two significant national parks present. Merlin National Park, covering approximately 200 square kilometers in Champhai district. It's known for its diverse range of species like the tiger, leopard, hulak gibbon, and various birds. Phongpui Blue Mountain National Park, spanning around 50 square kilometers in Longklai district. It's the highest mountain peak in Mizoram. The park is named after its blue hazed peaks and is crucial for preserving the unique ecosystems of the region, hosting species like the barking deer, serow, and various bird species. The two notable national parks situated in Tripura are Bison National Park, covering approximately 31 square kilometers in Gamati district. It's recognized for its diverse fauna, including the Indian bison, sambar deer, and various bird species. Clouded Leopard National Park, encompassing around 5.08 square kilometers in Sepahijala district. It's named after the clouded leopard, a key species it aims to protect. Also shelters for Asian golden cat. In Meghalaya, two notable national parks are Balpakram National Park, covering approximately 220 square kilometers in South Garo Hills district. It's known for its unique topography, deep gorges, and diverse wildlife. Balpakram is culturally significant for the Garo people and serves as a habitat for various species like the Asiatic elephant, sambar deer, and the rare golden cat. Uttarakhand National Park, encompassing around 47 square kilometers in West Garo Hills district. It's recognized as a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. Uttarakhand is crucial for its diverse flora, including unique orchids, and the conservation of the endemic and endangered species, the red panda. In Kerala, there are total 6 notable national parks. These national parks collectively preserve diverse ecosystems, endangered species, and play a pivotal role in biodiversity conservation in Kerala's Western Ghats region. Periyar National Park, covering around 925 square kilometers in the Idukki and Pathanamthitta districts, it's known for its diverse ecosystems and Periyar Lake. The park is crucial for its tiger reserve and diverse wildlife, including elephants, gores, and rare lion-tailed macaques. Silent Valley National Park, encompassing approximately 237 square kilometers in the Palakkad district, it's recognized for its undisturbed tropical evergreen forests. Silent Valley is significant for its unique biodiversity, including rare plants, insects, and the lion-tailed macaque. Erraviculam National Park, covering around 97 square kilometers in the Idukki district, it's famous for the Nilgiri tahr, an endangered mountain goat. The park boasts vibrant flora and is home to the highest peak in South India, Anamudi. Anamudi Shola National Park, spanning approximately 7.5 square kilometers in the Idukki district, it's known for its Shola grassland ecosystem and the Nilgiri tahr. Pampatam Shola National Park, encompassing about 11 square kilometers in the Idukki district, it's crucial for preserving the last remaining tracts of tropical evergreen forests in the Western Ghats. Mathiktan Shola National Park, covering around 12 square kilometers in the Idukki district, it's significant for its biodiversity and unique montane rainforest. There are 5 significant national parks located in Tamil Nadu. Mudumalai National Park, covering around 321 square kilometers in the Nilgiris district, it's known for its diverse flora and fauna, including elephants, tigers, and Indian bison. Located at the tri-junction of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Kerala, it's crucial for elephant conservation. It is a part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve and second oldest national park in India. Indira Gandhi National Park, spanning approximately 958 square kilometers in the Western Ghats, it's known for its biodiversity, hosting species like tigers, leopards, elephants, and the endemic Nilgiri tahr. Gindi National Park, covering around 2.82 square kilometers in Chennai, it's one of the smallest national parks in India and is known for its urban parkland, diverse birdlife, and species like blackbucks and spotted deer. Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park, encompassing approximately 560 square kilometers in the Gulf of Mannar. It's India's first marine biosphere reserve and is crucial for conserving coral reefs, marine life, and rare species like sea cows and sea turtles. New Kirthi National Park, covering around 78 square kilometers in the Nilgiris district, it's known for its Shola grassland ecosystem, Nilgiri tahr, and diverse avian species. It is a part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve and is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. In Karnataka, there are 5 significant national parks. Bandipur National Park, covering around 874 square kilometers in Chamarajanagar district, it's part of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve and is known for its tiger reserve, elephant population, and diverse wildlife. Nagarhole National Park, encompassing approximately 643 square kilometers in Kodagu and Mysore district, it's recognized for its rich biodiversity, including tigers, elephants, and rare bird species. Bannerghatta National Park, spanning around 104.27 square kilometers near Bangalore, it's known for its wildlife safari, rescue center, and diverse flora and fauna, including tigers, lions, and various reptiles. Kudramukh National Park, covering about 600 square kilometers in Chikamagaluru district, it's recognized for its unique landscape, rich biodiversity, and the Kudramukh Peak. The park houses diverse species and is crucial for conservation. Anchi National Park, encompassing around 340 square kilometers in Uttarakhand district. It's part of the Western Ghats and known for its tropical evergreen and moist deciduous forests, along with diverse wildlife. In Andhra Pradesh, the three significant national parks are Sri Venkateswara National Park, covering around 353 square kilometers in Chittor and Kadapa districts. It surrounds the Tirumala Hills and is known for its diverse flora, including rare and endemic species. Rajiv Gandhi National Park, encompassing approximately 1,012 square kilometers in East Godavari and West Godavari districts. It's crucial for its diverse habitats, including tropical forests and various fauna. Mahavir Harina Vanasthali National Park, spanning about 14.59 square kilometers in Ranga Reddy district. It's known for its conservation efforts for the blackbuck and various bird species. There are three notable national parks situated in Telangana. Kasu Brahmananda Reddy National Park, covering around 1.6 square kilometers in Hyderabad. It's an urban park known for its biodiversity, providing a green lung to the city. Mahavir Harina Vanasthali National Park, spanning approximately 14.59 square kilometers in Ranga Reddy district. It's known for its conservation efforts for the blackbuck and various bird species. Emragavani National Park, encompassing around 3.6 square kilometers in Ranga Reddy district. It's significant for its diverse flora and fauna and serves as an ecological education center. In Goa, the single national park is Mallam National Park, covering around 240 square kilometers in the Western Ghats. It's located in the Same and Satari Taluka. The park is home to diverse flora and fauna, including the Bengal tiger, leopards, deer, and various bird species. The Dudhsagar Waterfalls, one of India's tallest waterfalls, is also within its boundaries. In Andaman and Nicobar Islands, at present total 9 national parks are present there. Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, encompassing approximately 281.5 square kilometers in the South Andaman district. It's divided into 15 islands and known for its rich marine biodiversity, coral reefs, and mangrove ecosystems. Middle Button Island National Park, covering around 0.44 square kilometers. It's located in the North Andaman district, known for its diverse bird life and marine biodiversity. Rani Jhansi Marine National Park, spanning approximately 256.14 square kilometers in the South Andaman district. It's recognized for its rich coral reefs and marine life. Saddle Peak National Park, covering around 32 square kilometers in the North Andaman district. It's known for its dense forests, diverse flora and fauna, including the Andaman Hill Meena. Mount Harriet National Park, encompassing approximately 4.62 square kilometers in the South Andaman district. It's known for its trekking trails, rich bird life, and scenic views from its highest peak. Campbell Bay National Park, covering around 426.23 square kilometers in the Nicobar district. It's known for its unique endemic species and diverse habitats, including tropical rainforest. Galathea Bay National Park, spanning approximately 110 square kilometers. It's recognized for its marine biodiversity and coral reefs. South Button Island National Park, covering about 0.03 square kilometers. It's known for its rich marine life and coral reefs. North Button Island National Park, encompassing around 0.44 square kilometers. It's known for its diverse bird life and marine biodiversity. India's diverse landscape hosts an array of over 100 national parks, each a testament to the nation's commitment to biodiversity conservation. From the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the lush Western Ghats and the coastal sanctuaries, these parks safeguard unique ecosystems, rare species, and cultural heritage. They stand as symbols of India's rich natural wealth, offering havens for wildlife, research opportunities, and ecotourism adventures. As crucial pillars of conservation, these parks weave a tapestry of habitats, showcasing the nation's dedication to preserving its environmental legacy for generations to come.